Ducky. Hi, Ducky. So much to eat there. Hi, Daddy.
So much to eat that it just doesn't care over here. Okay, the wind is...
Are you having fun?
Yes. Are you?
No, I'm terrified.
I know.
I've gotten a lot more relaxed. Look at me.
Yeah, you are more relaxed, but your back hurts, right?
Yes, my back hurts because I'm having to sit like this, you know? I should be sitting like this. I feel like I'm undoing weeks of physical therapy progress by sitting in the kayak like this right now. We're on the Tualatin River, and we started... Where did we start? Like by Highway 99, Austin keeps saying?
Some bridge in Highway 99.
And we're going to the Tualatin Park, Community Park or something like that. And I was definitely very scared. I've calmed down a little bit, but I would do it again.
You would?
I think so, just when my back's... Oh, I can't hold the camera like that. Just when my back's better.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that sounds awesome. I like to do this.
I want a hard kayak though, because we're seeing all these people in hard canoes or kayaks and they're just flying by, but this one, inflatable, we just keep like turning. We can't go straight, and so you'll be going and you'll start turning, and then you have to slow yourself down to turn the other way. Oh, ducks. We saw a weasel. It blew Austin's mind seeing the weasel.
I've never seen a weasel swim.
It was like this big around. It was like, really long and skinny, and I just saw this like black thing, and I was like, what is that? And Austin's like, it's a nutria. I was like, that's not. That's a weasel.
I only saw the head, and then I saw the tail. I'm like, oh, okay.
Okay, you're being too crazy. Sorry. You're about to see me die. Or maybe Austin. I want to see a turtle. Are there turtles?
I didn't see turtles.
Oh. It's really pretty out here, though.
Turtles that are bubbling.
Oh yeah, we've been seeing bubbles, and we heard a toad, and we've heard some birds. So.
Last time I saw a crane.
Yeah, I haven't seen birds, just the duck. And there was one like blue jay at the beginning. Yeah. I am relaxed, especially paying attention to the video instead of paying attention to Austin paddling. I think I hear Cook Park. Do I?
Probably the beginning of Cook Park.
Okay, we've made some real progress. We've probably been out here for an hour.
I don't know.
You think?
I don't remember when we...
let me check the time. Oh, I can't check the time while I'm recording. Oh, yes, I can. It's 3:11. So, yeah.
So
Okay.
when did we start?
I feel like we started around 2.
Yeah.
We're almost done. It will not go straight. Like, you have to paddle, because it's turning, and then suddenly it's turning the other way really quickly, and you have to paddle. And so you you stop, right? And you let it go, and you're like, okay, it's just gonna keep spinning. No, it just turns around backwards and stays that way.
Yep.
It just wants to go backwards.
Because...
Maybe we're going, you told me this is the front. What if this is the back?
No, there's no difference. It's just there's more weight in the back than there is in the front, and so therefore it's going to try to go where the weight is forward.
I hear a motorboat. There it is. Oh geez, are they gonna make a wake? Oh no, I gotta put the phone down.
A little bit.
We made it. We're all loaded up and in the car. My arms are tired. What do you think?
Your back hurts.
Oh yeah, I stood up from the kayak at the dock and just like cracked. Like my hips and my back was just snap, crackle. You couldn't hear because there were like people talking, but I could feel it. And that helped a little, but yeah, I just was stuck in that terrible position for way too long. Let's see, it's 4:10 now, so we've probably been out of the water for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
So that means it was about an hour and a half of actual water time.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, more than that. Like like an hour and 45 minutes or so.
Yeah, I guess.
Hour 40. But I liked it. I'm not, Austin is sure that it's the kayak, but I think it might be us. I think we just don't know how to kayak. Like we over paddle or oversteer or something.
No. Too much weight in the back. We need to either